Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about pointers in C. Very important concept for the data structure. This is a program to swap two numbers. Fine. Whenever we have a C program, the first statement which is executed is the main. In main, we are having two variables. Fine. That is integer A. We are assigning the value 3 to it, and integer 4. That is we are making a variable A which will hold the value 3. Next, we are having a variable b which will hold the value 4. So this is how two integer variables are there which are holding the values 3 and 4. The next statement is we are calling a function swap where we are passing two variables a and b. Both are integer. So as soon as the swap is called, the control will shift to the function swap. Here the value of x and y are already been passed by the main in the form of a and b. So x will be holding 3 and y will be holding 4 respectively. Fine. When the first statement is executed here, that is temp equals to x. So now a temp variable that is of type integer is created and it has been assigned the value 3. When we say x is equals to y, so now x is assigned the value whatever the y was holding, that is it was holding 4. So now x will be assigned 4. When I say y is equals to temp, so now y will be holding the value 3. Once this is done, your function is over and the control will return back to the next statement from where it has left. So now the printf statement will be executed. Before that, just look at it. Here in the swap function you can see, the value of x and y has been exchanged. Fine. The x value is earlier it was 3, now it is 4. But how about the main functions? The value remains the same. So when the printf is executed, you can see it will print as the print is in the main function. So it will print the value whatever that is main function is having. The main is having value a is equals to 3 and y is equals to 4. So here you can see the values are not changed. It remains the same. Fine. Now let's see why does this happen, because we have called the function with the values and not with the references. Fine. See, if I want to send or call a function using a references, I should know about the pointers. So when I create an integer x and assign a value 4, what does it do in the memory? It creates a space whose name is x and who can hold the value 4. When I say integer pointer y, it creates a space for a y which can hold the address of an integer variable. See, there is a difference between x and y. Y is having a capacity of holding some address of an integer variable. Fine. When I say character star z, now z is having the capacity of holding an address of some character. So that is how it is different between, understand the difference between integer x, integer pointer y and the character pointer z. X can hold the integer value, y can hold the address of an integer. So now here, when I call a function swap, it is the same function which we have seen in the earlier slide. Only the difference is here the function swap is called with the address of A and address of B. Fine. The same main is here. We are having A is equals to 3. We are having B is equals to 4. Now assume that this is A is created at address 3000 and B is created at address 4000. So here I am passing swap 3000 and 4000. Fine. So when this statement is executed, the control will come here. That is, it is executing the swap function. So now the value of x is 3000 and y is 4000. Here when I say temp is equals to pointer x, Fine. So now temp is equals to what? It will be having content at 3000. So content at 3000 is 3. So temp will be holding the address, sorry, the value 3. When I say content of X is equals to content of Y, that is what content at 3000 will be now whatever it was there at the address 4000. At address 4000 we were having the value 4. So now at address 3000, fine, the value 4 will be saved. So that is, this is the address box. Here the value 4 has been stored. Same way at the address 4000, that is, this is the address place. If you say here earlier it was 4, now it has been swapped with the value 3. So now when this function is over, when this statement is executed, when the print statement is printed, you can see the value of A and B has been swapped. Fine. So here the value of A is 4 and B is 3. So that is how the values are getting swapped when we are using a function swap with the help of a references. So this is all about a pointer. Thank you.